going to explain electric potential. So this is another topic of electrostatic electric potential. Electric potential. Here, electric potential is a electrical. So electric potential is a electrical conduction of the body which determines direction of flow of charges. Direction of flow of charges. So this is a electrical potential is a electrical condition of the body which determines direction of flow of charges. Direction of flow of charges. So we know very well some phenomena, natural phenomena. Heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. High temperature to low temperature. Heat flows from high temperature to low temperature of the body. And the fluid. So we know fluid. So what is a fluid? So fluid flows from high pressure to low pressure. Low pressure. At the same time, current. So current, electric current flows from high potential to low potential. High potential to low potential. Low potential. This is a natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. Heat flows from high temperature to low temperature of the body. Fluid flows from high pressure to low pressure. Current flows from high potential to low potential. Low potential. So this is we know, and charge moves from 1.2 another point in a electric field. So when there exit, so potential difference between there. So this is a electric potential. This is you see clearly. Charge moves from one point to another point in a electric field when there exists potential difference between them. Charge is moving from one point to another point in the electric field when there exists potential difference between them. Potential difference between them. For example, so this is a simple electric circuit. This is a simple electric circuit. This is a wire, electrical wire. This is a wire. So this is a wire. I'm cutting this wire up to here. I'm cutting here. This is also I'm cutting here. Okay. Now you are connected to positive terminal of the battery. This is a negative terminal of the battery. This is the electrical wire. This is the electrical wire having number of electrons, number of protons. This is the electron. Suppose this is electrons. This is an electron. This is the electron is moving this direction. So this is a before battery is connected, but this is a position of the electron. All electrons move in a random direction. This is why the wire having electrons and protons. This is a wire is a solid body. Inside only electrons are moving in a random direction. So positive charges are fixed in a particular places. This all electrons move in a random direction. Suppose this is a plate. This plate having the positive charge. This positive charge gives positive potential. This is a positive charge gives positive potential. This is a plate. This plate having the negative charge. This negative charge gives negative potential. Negative potential. This is a higher potential. This is a higher potential. This is a lower potential. This is high. This is a low. So here, potential difference. Potential difference means higher potential minus high potential minus low potential, or high potential minus low potential. This is a potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference. This is a potential difference. Now here, this is a positive rate. This is electron. Electron is moving this direction. This positive charge. So positive charge. So you see that this is a negative charge. This is an electron. This electron moving in this direction. This electron moving down, upward and upward direction. This is our positive plate. This is a negative plate. So this is a negative plate. So electric field is set up from positive to negative. This is a direction of electric. Direction of electric field. So direction of electric. This is a positive plate. This positive plate will attract a negative charge. Negative charge is this direction. The electron moves in the backward direction. Backward direction. This is a positive plate. This is a negative charge. This positive plate will attract this negative charge is this direction. The electron is shifting this direction. This is a positive plate. This is a negative charge and attracting this direction. This is negative charge. This is also negative. It is shifting this direction. All electrons are moving from negative plate to positive plate. So okay, a charge here. What is a charge? Here charge is electron. Here charge is electron. So this is electron. Electron is moving. This is electron moves from one point to another point. 1 point to another point. This is one point. This is another point. This is another point. This is the electron. This electron is moving from here to here. Here to this is electron. This is a 1 point. This is electron. This electron moving from this point to this point. This is a 1 point to another point. This is a point. This is a 1 point. This electron moving from this point to here. This is 1 point to another point in a electric field. In a electric field. Direction of electric field is from positive plate to negative plate. Negative plate, that is an electric field. So when there exists a potential difference between them, this is higher potential, this is a lower potential, this is a potential difference. Potential difference. Higher potential minus lower potential. Higher potential minus lower potential. This is a charge moves from 1 point to another point in the electric field when there exists a potential difference between them. This is a very important point. Very important point. So next, so here we have to learn. So here, positive charge gives positive potential. Here, so positive charge. So positive charge gives, this is a positive charge. Positive charge gives positive potential. Positive potential. That is a P positive. So negative charge gives negative potential. So negative potential. So next, neutral body. Neutral is at neutral body is at 0. Potential of it is is taken as 0. Yes. So here, positive charge gives positive potential, negative charge gives negative potential, neutral body is at 0. This is a potential of the earth is taken as 0. Taken as 0. That is 1 point. So next, we know very well this is a one body. This is a positive charge body. This positive charge body is connected to Earth. Earth. So electrons moves from Earth to the positive charge body. Electrons moves from Earth to the charge body. Electrons moves from Earth to the charge body. This is a negative charge body. Negative charge body. This negative charge body is connected to the Earth. Earth. So electrons transfer from negative charge body to Earth. Earth. So this is a body is positive charge body. This body is connected to Earth. Electrons moves from earthing to the body. So this is a negative charge body. This is connected to earthing. So electrons moves from body to the earth, body to the earth, body to the earth. This is a very important point. Very important. So point. So you see, this is we are in the electric potential. We are going to discuss electric potential. So we know natural phenomena. So what we study in this electric potential means electric potential is a electrical condition of the body which determines direction of flow of charges. Direction of flow of charges. So this is a electrical potential is a electrical condition of the body which determines the flow of charges. Flow of charges. Heat means heat flows from high potential, high temperature to the low temperature of the body. So fluid flows from high pressure to the low pressure, and current flows from high potential to the low potential for positive charges. For positive charges. For positive charges. Positive charges. Charge moves from one point to the another point in the electric field. So when there exists a potential difference between them, positive charge gives positive potential, negative charge gives negative potential, neutral is at zero, potential of Earth is taken as zero. Negative charge body, this is a positive charge body. Positive charge body is connected to the Earth. Electrons move from Earth to the body. Next, negative charge body. Negative charge body is connected to Earth. Electrons moves from body to Earth. Body to Earth. This is a topic. This is a very important topic. Next, concept number one. Next is concept number one. Concept number one. Okay. Next, concept number one. So in this concept number one. Concept number one. So what is the concept number one? I'm going to explain. Concept number one. So this is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. We know, so this is a positive plate. This is a positive plate. So this is a negative plate. Negative plate. Do you know this is a infinite plane sheet? This is another infinite plane sheet. So both are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. This infinite plane sheet having charges, a positive charge. This is another infinite plane sheet having negative charge. Negative charge. So this is a two parallel plate provides uniform electric field between these regions. It provides uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Direction of uniform electric field is from positive to negative body. Positive charge to negative charge body. This is the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. From positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field. Electric field. This positive plate, this is a negative plate. Both plates provides uniform electric field between the two plates. Between the two plates. At this point, this is a positive charge body. Positive charge gives positive potential. So this is a negative charge body. Negative charge body. Negative charge gives negative potential. This is a high potential. This is a low potential. Low potential. Keep it in mind. So at this point, this is a tile. This is head. So very near to the tile. This is a high potential. This is X point. This is a Y point. This is X point. This is a Y point. Y point. At this point, so we are getting high potential. At this point, we are getting low potential. Low potential. This is a high potential. This is a low potential we are getting. So this is a point is X is very near to the X point. Y is very near to the head part. Head part. So head part is very near to the negative charge body. Tail part is very near to the high potential. Tail point is very near to the high potential. High potential. This is a low potential. Head part is very near to the low potential. Low potential. Based on this one. High potential, low potential. This is a we are taking Vx. Electric potential at X point. Electric potential at Y point. Which one is high potential? High potential is X greater than Vy. This is a electric potential. Electric potential. Electric potential. At electric potential at X point is greater than 2. Electric potential at Y point. Y point. So what is the meaning of this one? Means this is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. This is a direction of electric field. Along the direction of electric field, potential degrees. Note point. Notice what's the note point? So along direction of electric field, direction of electric field, electric field. So along direction of electric field, electric. This is along direction of electric field. Potential degrees. Potential degrees. Potential degrees. This is a point. Very important. So along direction of electric field degrees. Along potential degrees. This is a concept number one. This is very important. So next one. Next concept number 2. Concept number. In a concept number 2, what I'm going to explain. Concept number 2. So concept number 2. Concept number 2. In this concept number 2, this is a positive charge body. Positive charge body. Direction of electric field. This is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. So this is a negative charge body. Direction of electric field. This is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. Electric field. So this is we are taking suppose for example this is a point. This is a high potential. This is a low potential. Low potential. Low potential. For example, in this field, this is a positive charge. Positive charge gives this is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. Suppose, for example, this is a positive charge. Positive charge is in the field. Positive charge is a positive charge in a field. In a field. This positive charge moves from high potential to low potential. Low potential. This is a positive charge. Positive charge moves from high potential to low potential. For example, negative charge. This is a negative charge. This negative charge moves from lower potential to higher potential. Moves from lower potential to higher potential. Higher potential. I'm going to explain clearly. You see that one. Clearly, I'm going to explain. You see clearly, I'm explaining. For example, This is a plate. I'm taking plate. This is a positive plate, negative plate. Direction of electric field is from positive to negative. Positive to negative. So this is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. Suppose positive charge. Positive charge placed inside the field. Placed inside the field. This is a positive charge. Positive charge places in a uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. This is a positive plate. This is a positive charge. This positive plate will refer to the positive charge is this direction. This direction. So this is a tail point. Your tail point having high potential. This is a head part having low potential. Low potential. This positive charge gives high potential. This negative charge gives low potential. Low potential. And this is a positive charge. Positive charge moves from high potential to lower potential. Okay. Positive charge moves from high potential to lower potential. High potential to low potential. Suppose, for example, negative charge is placing, negative charge places in a uniform electric field. Negative charge. This is a negative. This is a negative plate. This is a positive plate. This positive plate will attract the negative charge this direction. This is a negative plate. This negative plate will repel to negative charge this direction. This is the electron. Negative charge moves from low potential to high potential. Negative charge moves from low potential to higher potential. Higher potential. This is a negative charge moves from low potential to high potential. This is a point. This is a very important point. Very important point. So next. Next, other concept. Next concept. Concept number 3. Next concept. Concept number 3. Concept number 3. This is a positive charge. Positive charge. So direction of electric field is away from charge. Away from charge. This is a positive charge. Positive charge point. Also charge. So this is the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field away from the charge. Away from the charge. This is a direction of electric field. Electric field. This is a direction of electric field. So I'm taking the test charge. This is Q0 is a test charge. Test charge keeps in a places in a field. In a field. Suppose this is we are taking this is a point. This is a B point. A point, and so this is a B point. A point. This is a point. This is a B point. This is a point. This is a B point. So at this place, this is a higher potential. This is a lower potential. Lower potential. Lower potential. Now this is a positive charge body. This is a positive charge. So this is a positive charge. Positive charge. Positive charge. This is a positive charge. This is a direction of electric field away from it. Away from it. This is a positive charge. This is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. So direction of electric field. This field lines start from positive charge ending at infinity. Ending at infinity. So this is I'm taking this is a point small a. This is a small b point. I'm taking small a point. Point. This is a positive charge. This is a test charge. Test charge also a positive charge. This positive charge. This is positive. This positive charge will repel to the charges this direction. So this is what we call this is work done by the electric field. Electric field. Work done by electric field. This is a positive charge. This positive charge will repel to this positive charge is this direction. This direction. This is a Q0. Q0 is a test charge. Q naught moves away from the positive charge by the electric field. Electric field. Work done by the electric field. Work done by the electric field. Suppose this is a Q naught. This Q naught is moving towards the positive charge by a external force. External work done by the external force. External force. External force. So come to the point. So what is electric potential? Electric potential difference. What is the potential difference? Do you know very well? So what is a charge moves in it? Charge moves from 1.2. This is a Q naught is placing here. Q naught is a test charge. Test charge is placing at A point. A point. So it is moving from. This is a Q naught is placing here. This is moves from A to B in a electric field. Electric field. So when they exit a higher potential to lower potential, higher potential to lower potential. First of all, potential difference. What is the potential difference? High potential minus low potential. High potential minus low potential. High potential minus low potential. Low potential is equal to work done by the charge. Work done by the charge. This is a formula. So this is a work done, high potential. What is high potential at A point? A point is high potential. So low potential at a B point. This is a B is equal to work. So work done by the charge is moving from A to B. A to B. The charge is moving from A to B is work done by the electric field. Electric field. Electric field. Electric field. Electric field. By so what charge is moving from one place to another place? Q naught. This is a test charge. Test charge is moving from one place to another place. This is a VA minus VB is equal to W. Electric by Q naught we are going to write. We are going to write electric field. Electric field. Electric. So electric we are going to write next point. The charge is moving from now test charge. Test charge is moving from so this is a high potential. This is a high potential. This is a lower potential. And this is a Q naught is moving from B to A. B to A. This is a Q naught. So that is work done by the external force. External force by Q naught. Work done by the external force. External force. External force. So this is a general formula. This is a general formula. This is a potential difference is equal to work by charge. Work by charge. Charge moves from, this is a Q naught. Q naught moves from higher potential to lower potential. Higher potential takes us A, lower potential takes us a B point. The charge is moving from A to B, that is a Q naught. External work. External work done is, what is external work done? That is charge is moving from A minus B. A minus B. So next to, this is a Q naught. Q naught is moving towards positive charge. Positive charge by apply the external force. That is a B to A. B to A. The charge is moving from B to A. B minus A. B minus A. This is a formula sphere. Next to B is at infinity. B point B at infinity. B is at infinity. And so B taken as this is a potential of B at infinity. This is taken as 0. Taken as 0. Keep in your mind, this is very important. This point, keep in it. This point put in this equation. VA minus VB is equal. So VB at infinity. EB at infinity is equal to. So electric. This is a work done. This is a electric field. Electric field. So that is W electric. This is a minus. This is a B means. So this is a B. Just B in infinity. This is a VB means this is a 0. This is a 0. So this is a VA is equal to by Q naught. This is a W electric A minus infinity by this is a Q naught equation. Next, the second equation. This is the second equation. So VA minus VB means what is a VB? 0 is equal to W external. B means what is a B? 0 A by Q naught. This is a VA is equal to W external. This is a minus A by Q naught. Minus A by Q naught. That is No, sorry. Here infinity mass. This is a B means infinity. Infinity minus A. Infinity minus A. Infinity minus A. That is a main answer. That is a answer. For this one, answer. This is a VA. So this is a relative potential at a point. Relative potential at a point. So this is a potential difference. This is a potential. This is a potential. This is a potential. Okay. So keep in your mind. This is a concept. Next concept number. Suppose, for example, I'm taking the negative charge. So this is a negative charge. Next, this is a negative charge. For example, negative charge. This is a negative charge. Negative charge. So direction of electric field is this is a direction of electric. Direction of electric field is towards the charge. Towards the charge. This is a direction of electric field. This is A point. This is a B point. This is a direction of electric field, and this is a low potential. This is a high potential. High potential. So low potential taken as A, high potential taken as B. Okay. Now we are checking AB. Okay. So this is we are removing this point. Okay. So this is a negative charge. This negative charge will attract test charge towards A. Q naught is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. Negative charge will attract positive charge towards this direction. We call that is a W electric field. W electric field. What done by the electric field? So this is a charge is moving. This is a charge is moving from B to A. B to A. The charge moves from B to A in a electric field. In a electric field. Electric field. Okay, that is a W electric. W. This is a negative charge. This is a positive charge. Both are attacked. Both are attacked. I want the charges. I want to push the discharges from A to B. A to B. That is a W external work. External work. So we are going to write formula. High potential minus low potential W by Q. W by Q. Okay, this is a charge. This charge is moved from low potential to high potential. This charge is moves from. So this is a low potential. This is high potential. This is a negative charge. Negative charge. Direction of electric field is towards this direction. So, okay. So B to A. Okay, the charge is moves from. We are going to write the formulas. We are going to write the potential difference formulas. This is a basic formula. Now, so this is high potential minus low potential is equal to 1 by Q. This is what we call potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference. Potential difference. Difference. Potential difference. PD indicates potential difference. Potential difference. You see the charge. This is a negative charge. Direction of electric field is towards a charge. Towards a charge. That is a direction of electric field. So this is A point, this is a B point, A point and B point. A point, this is A point, this is a B point. Okay, come to the point. This is a negative charge. This negative charge will attract positive charge towards this direction. That is a W element. This is a negative charge. This is a positive charge. This positive charge, I want to push this positive charge is from A to B. A to B, that is external work. External work. Okay, come to the point. We are going to write. So this is a work done. Work done. So W by Q, this is a high potential, this is a minus low potential. What means what type of work? This Q naught is moving from B to A, B to A, B to A, B to A. So this is a B to A. The charge is moved from high potential to low potential. Positive charge is moved from. This is a positive charge. This positive charge moves from high potential to low potential. High potential means taken as B, low potential taken as A. That is what type of work? That is work done by the electric field. Electric field. Charge is what? What is a charge? That is a Q naught. That is a Q naught. That is a Q naught we are checking. Q naught. So we are checking. So from this is a charge is moved from this is a B to A. B to A. That is a B to A. We are going to write B to A. B to A. That is a Q naught. Q naught is a positive charge. Okay, come to the part next to higher potential minus lower potential. Lower potential W by Q. W by Q. Next one. So this is a external. I'm going to write next to external. External. Charge is moving from A to B. A to the charge is moving from A minus B. So that is a by Q naught. That is a test charge. Higher potential. What is higher potential? Higher potential taken as a B point. Lower potential taken as a A point. A point. This is a formula we are going to write. So this is a formula we are going to write. So we know basic. What is the basic part? This is a B point taken as at infinity. So this is a negative charge. All feelings will start from negative and ending at negative charge. Ending at negative charge. So B taken as a negative infinity. So VB potential of B at is 0. This value is putting this equation. What we are getting? So VB 0 minus VA is equal to V electric by Q naught. This is a so VB is 0. So B is infinity. B is infinity minus A by Q naught. By Q naught. So this is so we are taking. We simplify this one. This is a minus. This is a minus. VA is equal to W electric infinity minus A by Q naught. This is a minus. Take this side. So what happened? So VA is equal to W electric. So minus take inside A minus infinity by this is a Q naught. This is a VA electric potential at A point. Electric potential at A point. Next one. So this is a V is equal to infinity. Don't write inside the values. Okay. So V is infinity. V is infinity. Okay. So next formula. What is the next formula? This is formula is over. This is over. Next, this is a VB. So VB means what is a VB? 0 minus VA is equal to W external. W external A minus B means so what is a B? B is infinity by Q naught by Q naught. This is a minus. So this minus is multiplied this equation. W external. So this is a minus into here. Minus into plus minus into minus plus infinity minus A by Q naught. This is a say electric potential at A point for external. This is external. That is a electric. That is a electric formula. This is a concept number 3. Concept number 3. Oh. Next, concept number 4. Concept number 4. So concept number 4. So what is the concept number 4? Concept number 4. So what is the potential difference? Potential difference. A charge moves moves from one point to another point in the electric field. There exists potential difference between them. Potential difference between them. That is the big potential. So concept number 4. This is a positive charge. Direction of electric field is, this is the direction of electric field. This is the direction of electric field. This is a Q naught is a positive charge. Q naught is a positive charge. This is a direction of electric field. This is a point A. A is taken as higher potential, high potential. B taken as a lower potential. A taken as high potential. B taken as lower potential. Right? This is a positive charge. This positive charge will attract. This is a charge is this direction. That is a work done. So what type of work done? That is a electric field. So this is a charge Q naught is moved from A to B by the external field. That is external work. External work. External. Okay. So now I'm going to explain. So source charge is positive. Source charge is, this is a source charge. Source charge is charge taken as positive. Source charge is taken as positive. Positive charge. Charge is, what is a charge? Charge. This is a charge. Next to external work. So next to electric field. Electric field. So this is a electric field. External work. Kinetic energy. Potential energy. We are going to the check this one. Charge Q is this is a Q test charge. What is a what type of charge? This is a Q naught. So Q naught is moved from A to B. First, we are going to check the A to B. A to B. So A to B. We are going to check the. So I'm taking this is capital. This is a capital B. Charge is moved from A to B. A to B. So what type of work done? What type of first work done? Negative work done? Potential degrees. We have to check it. So you see here. So what will happen? This is a positive charge. Positive charge moves from high potential to low potential. A point taken as a high potential, B point taken as a low potential. We know very well. So this is a point is what is a high potential greater than low potential. At A point, electric potential A point is greater than 2. Electric potential to B point, this is a greater. So VA minus VB, that is due to positive charge. That is a positive potential. So positive charge moves from higher potential to lower potential. That is a positive charge. Suppose minus taking a common. This is a VB. This is a minus take common. Minus take common. This is a minus take common. What happened? VB minus VA is equal to plus Q naught. Plus Q naught. This is a positive Q naught. Minus take this side. So VB minus VA is equal to minus Q naught. So this is a meaning. This is a meaning. So positive charge moves from. This is a positive charge. Positive charge moves from always high potential to lower potential. This is a negative charge. Negative charge moves from low potential to high potential. High potential. That is a formula. So general formula. So this is a positive charge moves from A to B means taken as positive. Negative charge moves from lower potential to higher potential means we are taking negative charge. Negative charge. What type of work done? This is a positive work done. Negative work. You see, this is a positive charge. This is also positive charge. This positive charge will repel to this positive charge is this direction. This is a we are calling electric. So this is a positive charge. This is a positive charge. This positive charge should be move towards this direction with the external field. External field. That is external field. This is a positive. This is a positive charge. This positive charge will repel to this charge Q naught moves from A to B. Higher potential means this is a positive electrical. Positive electrical. Positive. This is a Q naught. Q naught is moving from B to A. B to A means this is a low potential. This is a potential means this is a work is negative work done. So this is a moves from this is a source charge is move from A to B. This positive charge will repel to the Q naught is moving this direction. Kinetic energy increases. Potential energy decreases. Potential kinetic energy increases means potential energy automatically decreases. Next, so Q naught moves from B to A. B to A. B to A. So reverse. So this is a what is a work? B to A. B to A means this is a B to A minus. This is plus means minus. This is a plus means minus. Minus means all. This is a negative work. Positive work. Increase means decrease. This is a decrease means this is increases. It's over. But it's a over. So, but this is positive charges. Next one is charges. I'm taking to the charges. Charges negative. Charges negative. Charges negative test charge. This is a charges positive charge. Positive charge. Charges positive charge. Positive charge. But I'm taking a negative charge. This is a moves from A to B. Next to B to A. B to A. How can you write? So minus Q. This is a minus Q. I'm taking the minus Q naught test charge. This is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. This positive charge will attract this direction. This is a W electric field. Electric field. So the charge is moved from A to B. So this is a W external. W external. W external. This is a positive charge. This is a negative charge. Positive charge will attract negative charge to this direction. It is moved from B to A. B to A. B to A means that is positive charge and negative charge. This is a positive charge. This is a positive charge. Positive charge. Positive charge. This is a A to B. This is a positive charge. B to A means reverse means we are going to write positive, negative, increase, decrease. This is a we are going to write negative, positive, and decrease, increase. Understand? That is over. This is the concept number. So concept number 4. You have to check it. Okay. Similarly, we are going to the negative charge. We are going to see the negative charge. You check it. Suppose this is A to B. A to B. So this is a positive charge. Positive charge moves from A to B. A to B. What is positive? The charge moves from A to B means this is a Q naught. Q naught moves from high potential to low potential means that is a positive one. So next, this is a Q naught. Q naught moves from B to A means that is a negative work done. So this is a charge moves from A to B. Charge moves from A to B means kinetic energy, potential energy, degree S. Next, B to A. B to A. The charge is positive charge. The positive charge is moves from B to A. B to A. The charge moves from low potential to high potential means negative work. Next, external. External means what is external? The charge is moved from B to A. B to A. B to A. So B to A means that is external. So we are taking external means the charge is this is a Q naught. The Q naught is moved from external means the charge is moved from Q naught to B. B to A. B to A. B to A. This is a B to A. But actually the charge is moves from away to negative. We are taking opposite direction. So this is a concept number 4. Concept number 4. Next, I'm going to explain the concept number 5. Concept number concept number 5. So concept 5. This is a negative charge. This is a source charge. Negative charge. Direction of electric field is towards a charge. Towards a charge. This is a direction of electric field. This is a direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. This is a source charge. Source charge. Source charge. Source charge. The source charge is Q. The source charge is Q. So this is a point we are checking. This is a point. This is a we are checking A point. This is a B point we are checking. B point we are checking. This is a Q naught. Test charge is Q naught. So positive charge. This is a positive charge we are taking. Okay, this positive charge is This is we are checking higher potential. This is a lower potential. Lower potential. Lower potential. This is a negative charge. This negative charge will attract positive charge to this direction. This is what we call, that is a W electric. So this is a negative charge. So this is positive. This negative charge will attract a positive charge to this direction. That is electric. So this is Q naught is we want to push the Q naught from A to B. That is what is W external. W external. W external. So we are going to write charge positive charge from A to B. Now we're going to write A to B, and W external electric, external, so kinetic energy, potential energy. Next, the charge is moved from B to A. So next is, this is a positive charge. Next charge is negative charge. That is A to B. Next to B to A. Next to B to A. Electric and external, kinetic energy, potential energy. Right. How can you write that one? So here, so this is a potential. You can write, this is a, where is a potential is I. So this is I potential, that is a VB minus, this is a I potential, this is a low potential. VA is equal to, that is a I potential minus VA lower potential. This is how we are correct. So I potential minus lower potential, that is a positive charge is moving from high potential to low potential. So take the minus common, that is a VA minus VB, that is a positive charge. This is a VA minus VB is equal to, we are taking, this is a negative charge. Lower potential is moved from, this is a negative charge moves from lower potential to higher potential, and positive charge moves from this is a positive charge moves from, higher potential to lower potential. This is a potential difference between higher potential minus lower potential. Positive charge moves from higher potential to lower potential. This is a negative charge moves from lower potential to higher potential. This is charges. Okay, this is electric. This is work done by the electric, work done by the external, kinetic energy, potential energy. So this is a positive charge. Positive charge moves from A to B. A to B is negative. This is a negative work done. So next work done. So this is a positive charge, external work done. Where is the external work done? This is external work done. This positive charge moves from A to B. A to B means, that is A to B means this is a external. External means the positive charge. Positive charge moves from B to A. B to A means that is B to A. B to A means A to B. A to B means actually the charge should be moved from. The charge moves from A to B. A to B means negative work done. So next external. So the charge should be moved from A to B in the direction of external. External is positive. Negative charge, this is a positive charge, kinetic energy decrease, potential energy increase. Okay, so what mitigate? A to B is reverse. This is a positive. This is a negative, increase, decrease. For this one, mitigate, negative charge. This is opposite. We're getting that positive, negative, and decrease. Sorry, but same. We're going to write for this one, negative, positive, decrease, increase. Okay, right? Negative charge, positive, decrease, increase. For this one, reverse. Which way? This is A to B. Reverse, positive, negative, increase, decrease. That is over. Okay. So this is a concept number 5. Concept number 5. Okay. So, so this is a concept number 5. In this class, what I explained, once again, I recall the concepts. So first, this is a electric potential. We are in the chapter. We are in electric potential chapter. So first of all, what is a electric potential? Electric potential means what is the use of electric potential? Why we are going to study the electric potential means so electric potential is a electrical condition of the body which determines the direction of flow of charges. Positive charge gives positive potential, negative charge gives negative potential. Neutral body at zero, neutral body neutral of the body is zero potential, and so finally potential of it is taken as zero, and heat flows from high temperature body to the low temperature body. Fluid flows from high pressure to the low pressure, and current flows from current positive charge moves from high potential to the low potential, negative charge moves from low potential to the high potential, and charge moves from one point to another point in the electric field. There exists electric potential between them. Electric potential between them. So next one is positive charge.